my beautiful children. I miss you guys so much. Come and give mommy a hug.
So it's only the pitney that I miss. What happened to me?
Lord Bing, you know me miss you. Me love how the place to clean door. Want mommy come help you?
No, not a soul no put a foot in this house, man. And me alone do everything. No matter what.
Really, Bingy? You do a good job, Lord. I know me not gonna tell Natasha to come help you.
Come help who? Susie, you know me not like none of your friends, especially Natasha.
Babes, now go on, so. You know Natasha and Keisha are my best friend. And them are the only people me trust around you and my pitney them. Cause me know say if you are look them are gonna tell me and them are gonna run your way. So me can't put me neck on the block say they would have never chat to you. So love me friend them.
Well, I don't like none of them. All the one Keisha come call man for fix pipe or there. Actually, no man vex, you know.
Whatever, Bingy. But you jump and go fix it doing a late at night. Anyway, the black suitcase over there, so I feel your clothes them in there. Can I come at me pull and me show you what me buy for you?
Susie, you don't feel me a touch you there side the whole night last night? Why you come back from foreign so tired?
Oh, me never feel it. Come on, get in that touch me good. Anyway, me Bingy me didn't tired. Cause me stuck in a plane so long. And then when me come at the airport of Jamaica, them a push up all kind of thing in my nose, up in my ears, up in my throat. I tell me them a test for corona. Me don't seem tired.
All them things I make man coast ass, you know. Which man know go foreign and come back and have sex with them man as them drop the suitcase.
God, Bingy, man, you not feel go on so you know that serious. Cause you know if me didn't feel when you touched me last night. Although me so tired, me would have get up. Even if I would just lie down and give you, me would have give you. What? Just stop it now.
What not serious? After me sit down in the house till the aisle back up in my back, you are gonna tell me Ra's foolishness.
Babes, me I gonna make it up for you tonight. Yes, me have something special we may have planned for you. New things. Hello, Natasha girl. What go on? Me there tired. Me I tell you, me say, for the 2 weeks me over there, so Romeo give me a break. Me mean the boy woke me out. Me say last night, all the one Bingy a touch me, and me a fear pretend say me asleep. Cause the way Romeo bruised me last night, me couldn't take another touch. So me just pretend say me asleep until Bingy me tired.
Susie, me I come for what you bring back from foreign for me.
Chaman, come. Me there tell you what with Romaine and all care about if you come for clothes. Yeah man, come. Me there put Fia and Keisha pile them together.
Yeah, give Keisha things for. She not go foreign regular.
Natasha not bother with that man. You know say you and Keisha my friend and me have to give Keisha something too. Me I'll give you more, but you know me have to give her something too. If me not give her nothing, you know me come up here come cuss me and me can't bother with it. So just come. Come on. You reach faster. So which car fly through them the bad road and reach up so fast?
You know, me love new things. Where's I find them come from? Plus, me have a hot party for go weekend. Anyway, me not stay in. Me I go downtown go look some rare for me style. Call me later and tell me how Bingy manage with the pitney them. From your gone, me not even seen one time.
Bingy, turn off the TV and get in the bedroom, babes. I thought the aisle in your back was choking you. Tonight is your night. I am going to turn up the sex game a notch. Let me put on some music.
Yeah, candlelight. Me love the settings, babe. How are the blood clot you do? What kind of freaky song that?
Bingy, not bad a spoiling moment tonight, man. Come on, man. We are going to try something new. Everybody are do it.
The 2 weeks ago foreign, you get Americanized. But make me lick you up and down. Don't play that song there, you know. How are the blood clot a go on your song? Whipped cream, strawberry. Or since when inside a certain restaurant?
Bingy, We need to try new things to spice up with sex life. And you not have to do it long. Just taste it. Pretend say my birthday.
Susie, if me do it, I tell nobody.
Pingy, what you say? Why would I do that? Me know your baby mother.